everyone, welcome to Dee LaVigne. Today we are going to be talking about side hustles that you all can do and start up for free or for barely anything. So let's get started. Hit that thumbs up button if you're excited about this video topic. Let's start with number one. The first side hustle idea that you can start for free from the comfort of your own home as well is affiliate marketing. So this is going to be Amazon comes in, or reward style, or there's so many different affiliate marketing platforms. There's even brands like Lululemon, for instance. Basically almost every brand you can think of nowadays, you can make a profit off of just sharing products that you guys like. So for instance, a lot of the influencers, including myself, already do this as a way to make extra money. For example, a lot of you guys have known me for my luxury videos, and whenever I mention something that I already have personally, I will find it on a platform like Reward Style, or if I see or if someone asks me for a top that I'm wearing that they really like and I got it on Amazon, I'll simply send them an affiliate link, and whoever clicks on that link and purchases, I receive a very small commission. That's how it works for any influencer that shares affiliate links. They all will get a small percentage of the sale just for recommending that product and sharing that link. You or whoever as a customer that clicks on the link and makes that purchase isn't paying more or less for the product. They're paying the same exact price as if they would have bought it on the actual brand site. The only difference is you are supporting whoever shared that item with you or whoever influenced that purchase for you. So if you guys would like separate videos in more of me going into more detail on any of these topics, then let me know down below and I'll do a dedicated video on all of these. But yes, affiliate marketing. The second side hustle that I'm going to be talking about that is $0 and 0 cents to start and can also be done in the comfort of your own home is YouTube, duh. So as you know, me and my family have been doing YouTube, my husband for well over 15 years, me for almost 10 years now. And we now obviously have been doing it full time for a very long time, but there are many people that start off. In fact, my husband started off, as well as myself, you got to start somewhere, doing it as a side hustle where it was not our main full-time job. When you start a YouTube channel and start to build up a following, I know YouTube has recently changed it, I believe, to a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 watch time hours, which isn't much. Then you can apply for Google AdSense to where all of your content will be monetized and you are paid from the ads that play in the beginning of YouTube videos. So for example, when you clicked on this video, you might have seen an ad that was playing before the video started. I get paid a small percentage from that ad being placed on my video. I love this day and age, you guys. It's such a beautiful thing. Social media has opened up so many doors and so much opportunity for so many people around the world. Like, it just makes me so happy. The third side hustle that you can start, now this one will require a little bit of money, but you don't have to pour out loads of money to do this, is merchandise. So if you already have a brand or you're interested in starting your own brand, social media, all you need is a social media platform or a social media page to promote and sell your merchandise or any types of products. You can even sell it on stores like Amazon, of course, or Etsy. I know so many people who make a killing on Etsy, you guys. Or if you just wanted to flip and sell things, there are apps such as like Poshmark, which I personally have sold things on before. So if you want to get rid of things, there's also a lot of people that do like thrifting and they resell, again, like on places like Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, Etsy. It is an incredibly great way to earn some extra cash, and I know quite a few people who've actually turned it into their full-time jobs. Also for influencers, my husband and I do this on occasion and seasonally. We will put out merchandise for our followers and subscriber friends to purchase, and it's an easy way to easily rack up extra money. And if you're putting out merchandise to promote your own business, it is also marketing. For instance, I sold Queen Dee Fitness hats and Queen Dee Fitness crop tanks and t-shirts. Not only do I get a return, but I also get free marketing. The next side hustle idea that I'm gonna be talking about that you can do, selling digital products. So you might have seen influencers or just people selling like photo filter templates or workout programs, for instance. I've personally sold quite a number of fitness workout programs. It's a great way for residual income. And what I love about selling digital products is that you only have to work on it and make it one time. A lot of influencers also offer like business coaching programs or how to do affiliate marketing. You'll see them sell courses on Instagram all the time. Those are the digital products that I'm talking about that you too can create and sell as a side hustle. You also see it a lot with photographers. They will sell set templates. People do it all the time. It's a great way to make extra money on the side. And again, I know a number of people who do this full time. That is it, you guys. I know a whole bunch more side hustles that you guys can do. Let me know if you guys would like to see a part 2. I kind of just wanted to test the waters and throw this out here. A lot of y'all always ask me to do more like business videos and finance and talking about money. So let me know down below if you would like to see a part 2 or if there's another topic that you're interested in me talking about with you guys. Please subscribe if you found this video helpful, if you haven't subscribed yet already, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.